In this video, we will learn about different type of diodes, especially which are in syllabus. So there are numerous of diodes, but there are only few are in our syllabus, like this junction diode, Zener diode, and this photodiode, this LED. So we will do this 4 diode or discuss this 4 diode basically. LED, photodiode, Zener and junction diode. First of all, if we say or talk about junction diode, that is our simple diode which is represented by this symbol PN junction diode. As it is quite clear that in forward biasing it works properly, but during reverse biasing there was a complete breakdown of the material due to which it do not work. So PN junction cannot work in the reverse region. So to avoid that disadvantage, we make a special type or fabricated a special type of diode that is called Zener diode. Zener diode is represented by symbol like this. This is P, this is N, but N is represented like this. Zener diode. This is a specially designed diode which work in the reverse region. ये एक स्पेशली डिज़ाइन किया हुआ डायोड है जो किसमें सिर्फ वर्क करता है, रिवर्स रीजन में. Zener diode is also known as voltage regulator. Why voltage regulator? सपोज करो हमारे पास इनपुट वोल्टेज कभी कम कभी ज़्यादा हो रही है जिससे हमारा एपरेटस ख़राब हो जाएगा, बट Zener डायोड अगर हम बीच में लगा देंगे तो इसमें क्या होगा, इनपुट चाहे वेरी करती रहे बट हमारी आउटपुट क्या रहेगी, फिक्स रहेगी. तभी से क्या बोलते हैं, वोल्टेज रेगुलेटर, क्योंकि एक फिक्स वैल्यू ऑफ वोल्टेज प्रोवाइड करता है आउटपुट के लिए. सो अदर इज फोटोडायोड. फोटोडायोड का सिंबल इज लाइक दिस. इसमें लाइट आ रही है, लाइट इज कमिंग. फोटो मीन्स जब इसके ऊपर पर्टिकुलर फ्रिक्वेंसी वाली लाइट पड़ेगी इट विल स्टार्ट कंडक्टिंग और प्रोड्यूस करंट. तब इसका नाम क्या है, फोटोडायोड. आई एम ड्रॉइंग अ सिंबल प्रॉपरली फॉर इट. As it take light, so it is called photodiode. Next one is LED. LED. This is called light emitting diode. It means it emit light of suitable frequency. So that's why we have a symbol of light going out of it. When electric current pass through it, it start emitting the light of suitable frequency. This is called LED. So this is the circuit diagram for the Zener diode. It is connected like this in parallel with the input. So whenever there is a change in current, it will pass through this and it will maintain the same current due to which same voltage will appear through it. If excess current is there, it will let it pass through it by making the voltage to be stable at the output. Advantages is quite simple and easy to use and cost effective. But disadvantage is that it depends upon the temperature. So with the change of the temperature, it do not work properly. And secondly, it has a breakdown voltage. Like Zener has a breakdown or a Zener voltage of say 5 volt. Below this it will be off, but if input voltage is more than this it will be on by providing the output voltage equals to Zener voltage, that is 5 volt. These are the characteristics of Zener. We do not study usually it in forward, but in reverse this is the reverse. These are same just like as PN. This is the circuit diagram for photodiode. It is connected with the cell. Next one, this is the circuit diagram of LED. It is connected with the voltage, and this is the circuit diagram of a solar cell. This is circuit diagram for the solar cell.